Today, we're exploring Warlock 1959, one of the most intriguing ensemble westerns of the late 1950s, a film that blends psychological drama, moral ambiguity, and frontier politics. Directed by Edward Dmytryk, Warlock brings together Henry Fonda, Richard Widmark, and Anthony Quinn in a story about power, justice, and the uneasy line between law and lawlessness. It's a western that asks big questions and refuses to give easy answers. The town of Warlock is under siege by a violent gang known as the San Pablo Cowboys. Desperate for order, the townspeople hire Clay Blazell, a legendary gunfighter with a reputation for cleaning up lawless towns. He arrives with his loyal friend and partner, Tom Morgan, played by Anthony Quinn, a man whose devotion to Blaisdell borders on obsession. But the town's problems aren't solved by simply hiring a faster gun. Johnny Gannon, a former member of the outlaw gang, decides to become the town's deputy. Hoping to bring real law and order instead of vigilante justice, his presence creates tension between the old ways of frontier violence and the new desire for legitimate authority. As the story unfolds, alliances shift, loyalties are tested, and the town becomes a battleground, not just for control, but for the soul of the West. The final confrontation forces each man to face who he really is, and what kind of world he wants to leave behind. Warlock stands out because it's not just a western, it's a character study. Henry Fonda plays Blaisdell with a cool, polished professionalism, a man who knows he's admired, but also feared. Richard Widmark brings quiet strength to Johnny Gannon, a man trying to redeem himself in a town that doesn't trust him. But the emotional core of the film is Anthony Quinn's Tom Morgan. Quinn gives one of his most layered performances, loyal, wounded, jealous, and fiercely protective of Blaisdell. His character adds psychological depth rarely seen in westerns of the era. Morgan is both tragic and dangerous, a man who wants belonging but doesn't know how to live without violence. The film also explores the idea of hired law, the uneasy relationship between private power and public justice. Warlock wants safety, but at what cost? Some viewers find the film's pacing uneven, especially in the middle act, where political debates overshadow action. The romantic subplots can feel underdeveloped, and certain character motivations, especially Lily Dollar's, shift abruptly. The film also carries the melodramatic tone common in late 1950s westerns, which may feel dated to modern audiences. And while the psychological tension is compelling, it sometimes overwhelms the narrative clarity. Still, these flaws don't diminish the film's ambition. Warlock arrived at a moment when westerns were becoming more introspective. Instead of simple good versus evil stories, filmmakers were exploring moral gray areas, flawed heroes, and the cost of violence. This film fits squarely into that evolution. It also stands as one of the most significant ensemble westerns of the decade, bringing together three major stars whose performances continue to be studied for their complexity. Anthony Quinn's portrayal of Tom Morgan has been particularly noted by scholars for its emotional depth and its subtle exploration of loyalty, identity, and unspoken longing. The film reminds us that power without accountability is dangerous, even when used for good. Blaisdell may bring order, but he also brings fear. It also teaches us that redemption is possible, but it requires courage. Johnny Gannon's journey from outlaw to lawman shows how a person can choose a different path, even when the world doubts them. And finally, it shows that loyalty can be both noble and destructive. Tom Morgan's devotion to Blaisdell is heartfelt, but it blinds him to the consequences of his actions. Warlock demonstrates how ensemble casting can elevate a story. Each actor brings a distinct emotional tone, creating a layered narrative. It also shows the power of moral ambiguity. By refusing to paint heroes and villains in simple terms, the film invites deeper reflection. The production design, from the saloons to the dusty streets, reinforces the theme of a town caught between chaos and civilization. And the script's psychological depth foreshadows the revisionist westerns of the 1960s and 1970s. Warlock is a thoughtful, complex western that blends action with character-driven drama. Henry Fonda brings authority, Richard Widmark brings heart, and Anthony Quinn delivers one of his most emotionally rich performances. If you enjoy westerns that challenge the genre-esque conventions and explore the human cost of violence and loyalty, Warlock is a film worth revisiting.